Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 1/32nd scale model aircraft kits is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies for aviation enthusiasts and model builders alike. These kits offer a highly detailed and immersive experience, allowing you to recreate iconic aircraft with stunning accuracy. From the intricate cockpits to the finely molded exterior details, building a 1/32nd scale model is a journey into the heart of aviation history. Number 5. Tamiya F-14A Tomcat Black Knights 132 aircraft. Today, we're taking a look at the Tamiya F-14A Tomcat model. This is a detailed 132 scale model, perfect for any enthusiast. It's a great way to experience the iconic aircraft. The model accurately captures the form of the F-14A Tomcat. Every detail has been carefully considered. You'll be impressed by its realistic appearance. This kit features metallic parts and screws, allowing the wings to be movable. This adds a dynamic element to the model. It's a unique feature that enhances the build. The kit includes a full range of armament. This includes Phoenix missiles and laser-guided bombs. It also comes with a targeting pod, adding to its realism. The model comes with 3 figures, 2 pilots and a catapult officer. It also includes decals for 5 different aircraft. This allows you to customize the model. What we like. This kit allows you to pose the wings in different positions, adding dynamic realism to your display. It also comes with a full range of weapons, letting you recreate various mission configurations. If you are looking for a highly detailed and posable model with a wide array of accessories, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes a detailed cockpit. The panel lines are finely recessed. The kit has excellent surface details. Number 4. Trumpeter 132 F6 F5 and Hellcat Model Kit. Get ready to build an iconic fighter plane. This model kit from Trumpeter allows you to recreate the legendary F6 F5 and Hellcat. Enhance the details with the included photo-etched parts. These finely crafted components will bring the model to life. This is a ready-to-assemble plastic model kit. It's a great project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. The kit includes hundreds of pieces, offering a challenging and rewarding building experience. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. Please note that glue and paint are not included. You'll need to purchase these separately to complete your model. What we like. With photo-etched parts, this kit offers enhanced detail and realism. The kit includes hundreds of pieces, providing a challenging and rewarding building experience. If you enjoy a model with intricate details and a satisfying assembly process, it's a great choice. What people say. This is a fine model, fun to build, with an easy paint scheme. Goes together perfectly. Number 3. Revell Germany F4U-1A Corsair Model Kit. Introducing a detailed model kit of a legendary aircraft from World War II. This kit allows you to build a replica of a powerful fighter plane. This model kit includes 68 pieces, offering a challenging and rewarding building experience. It's perfect for model enthusiasts. The model features foldable wings, a detailed cockpit and engine, a pilot figure, a rotating propeller, and 2 sets of USN decals. These features add realism to the model. The model is built in 1/32 scale, providing a good balance between detail and size. It's a great addition to any collection. This aircraft was known for its incredible speed and supreme maneuverability, making it a formidable fighter. It was equipped with 6.50 caliber machine guns. The U.S. Navy achieved an impressive 11-to-1 kill ratio with this aircraft during the war. It was a key factor in their success. Production continued long after the war, with 12,571 units produced from 1942 to 1953. Its legacy endured. What we like. This model features foldable wings, allowing for different display options and a more compact footprint. The detailed cockpit and engine add to the model's realism, and the rotating propeller adds a touch of dynamic interest. If you like a model with classic design and historical significance, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a plastic model kit of an F4U-1A Corsair in 1/32 scale. The model is molded in light gray plastic, and has some flash on the parts. Despite that, fit of the parts is good. Number 2. Revell FW190A8 Rammjäger Plastic Model Kit. This is a highly detailed model kit from Revell. It's a faithful reproduction of the original design. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. The kit accurately recreates the FW190A8 Rammjäger. Every detail has been carefully considered. It's a great way to experience this iconic aircraft. The step-by-step illustrated instruction manual makes assembly easy. It guides you through each stage of the build. You'll have a great time putting it together. The decal set adds the finishing touches to your model. It includes markings for the Rammjäger. This will make your model stand out. Get ready to build your own piece of history. This model kit is perfect for enthusiasts of all skill levels. It's a rewarding experience. What we like. This kit offers a highly detailed model, ensuring an accurate representation of the original aircraft. The included decal set allows for customization and adds to the model's visual appeal. If you are a fan of historical aircraft and appreciate accuracy in your models, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit includes a detailed cockpit. The panel lines are finely recessed. The surface details are excellent. Number 1. Revell Messerschmitt BF110C7 Plastic Model Kit 132. This is a non-assembled plastic model kit of the Messerschmitt BF110C7. It comes with detailed, multilingual instructions to guide you through the build. Get ready to bring this iconic aircraft to life. The kit includes extensive, illustrated instructions. They are designed to help you every step of the way. You'll find the assembly process straightforward and enjoyable. The package weighs approximately 1.338 kilograms. This reflects the comprehensive nature of the kit and all its components. It's a substantial model. The package dimensions are 11.43 centimeters in length, 59.69 centimeters in height, and 42.545 centimeters in width. This gives you an idea of the size of the box. It's a sizable kit. This model is in 1/32 scale, offering a high level of detail. It's a great choice for model enthusiasts. You'll be impressed by the accuracy. What we like. This kit provides extensive directions, making the assembly process easier to follow. The multilingual instructions cater to a wider audience. If you are a beginner or prefer a model with clear and detailed instructions, you should consider this one. What people say. Reebok's repop of Dragon's venerable BF110C2 C7 in 132. Highly detailed cockpit for OOB and nice detail overall. An excellent model to build, very accurate in appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.